Welcome to Omega X. In this video, we will talk about the signs that may indicate you have diabetes, a chronic disease that affects millions of people worldwide without them realizing it. But how can you tell if you're at risk? There are warning signs that your body may be showing, and the first one is excessive thirst. If you constantly feel a dry mouth and drink water frequently without relief, it could be due to high blood sugar level. Leads us to the second sign, frequent urination. When your body tries to get rid of excess glucose through the kidneys, you may find yourself waking up multiple times at night to use the bathroom. Losing fluids this way can cause constant fatigue, even if you get enough sleep, because your body isn't able to use sugar efficiently as an energy source. But have you noticed sudden weight loss without following a diet? This could be another sign of diabetes, as the body starts burning fat and muscle for energy instead of glucose. Additionally, you might find that wounds or bruises take longer to heal, as high blood sugar affects circulation and reduces the body's ability to repair tissues quickly.
If you suddenly experience blurry vision or notice that your eyesight changes from time to time, this could be due to the effect of high sugar levels on the eye's lens.
Over time, you may feel tingling or numbness in your hands and feet, a condition known as diabetic neuropathy, which occurs due to nerve damage from prolonged high blood sugar levels. This issue is common among people with type 2 diabetes. Another sign you may overlook is frequent skin infections or dark patches in areas like the neck and underarms, which indicate insulin resistance. Constant hunger, even shortly after eating, might also be a warning sign, as your body struggles to use glucose properly, making you feel the need for food all the time. But did you know that unexplained mood swings, such as feeling depressed or anxious, may also be caused by high blood sugar affecting brain chemistry? These signs may not seem alarming on their own, but if you experience multiple symptoms together, it's important to consult a doctor and get a blood sugar test. Early detection can help prevent serious complications. Don't ignore your health. Stay aware of these symptoms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. You might help someone detect diabetes early. Subscribe to Omega X for more reliable health information.